Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day today. Today I am going to be just doing all the updates. I feel like it's been so long since we've chatted and I have so much to update you guys on. It is Wednesday, November 5th. I just got back from a walk and did a quick body shower so that I didn't smell like outside anymore. But it is so nice. The weather is finally cooling off in Texas, and as you guys can see, the leaves are just barely starting to change color. So better late than never for our Texas fall vibes. I'm just gonna quickly put on a little bit of makeup today because I am just working from home. I have had so much going on behind the scenes, you guys, which has been why I haven't been able to like really film many YouTube videos lately. But we have so much coming for Ella soon. I'm so excited. Our next collection is launching in a month. We're actually doing our first ever pop-up shop. I cannot believe it. And we already sold out. So that was shocking to me as well, because yes, I did think there would be a good turnout, because after we did our New York event, I had so many people telling me, you need to come to Dallas, you need to come to Dallas. So we were like, okay, if we do another event, then we need to do it in Dallas, because it's literally right there for us and there's such a huge community there. And literally I was kind of freaking out about the announcement because I knew I needed to get it up. It's in like a month. I wanted people to be able to come and not like make plans, you know? So I was like, let me just post something in my stories. That way some people can get their tickets. We sold out in like less than a day. So yeah, I'm so sorry to those of you who aren't gonna be able to get tickets, but hopefully this won't be our last one. And I'm just so excited. You guys know I love hosting, I love having events, and I love my brand so much. So it's just like all the worlds colliding, and I get to meet you guys, and it's just, you guys are gonna be able to see the collection and shop in person. The event is called Ella Cafe. We're doing it at Le Souk. It's gonna be so cute and like branded, and Le Souk is just such a beautiful coffee shop. I'm so excited that we're gonna be having it there. So the new collection and the event has been the main reason I have been so MIA. We've just been planning and just making sure every detail is perfect behind the scenes, but I'm just so ready for you guys to see everything and see it all come together. Let's move on to what's actually important, and the fact that I'm actually an auntie now, which is so exciting. Mashallah, I'm so happy for my sister Amanda and her husband. They are already the best parents. I'm so proud of them. I'll let her be able to share all those details with you if she wants to, but I'm just so proud of her, and I'm so happy to be an auntie. It's a different feeling as a mom. I've seen like my sisters like literally treat my kids like they're their own, you know? But now that I have a little nephew, like I literally know what it feels like, and it literally just feels like he's one of my own as well. And my heart, I just hate that we're 6 hours away. It just feels like a little tiny piece of my heart is like over there, and it's already hard enough being like a long distance sister, but now she has a little baby, and anyways, it's just more reason to go visit more often. Ready for the day, and I just changed into this really cozy knit. I'm trying on a Quince order that I just got in the mail. I wanted to show you guys everything that I got, but look at the texture of this sweater. I'm so obsessed. Let me show you guys. Thank you so much to Quince for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I'm so excited to talk to you guys about them because I've really switched like my way of shopping in the past, I would say, couple of years. I used to be the type of girl that shopped everywhere for every season, got in so many new things, showing you guys like all the hauls. But nowadays I am so much more of a conscious shopper. I'm really only buying pieces that I know I will wear year after year, that will actually last me, that are good quality. Especially now, like designing clothes myself, I'm so much more conscious of like the quality of the fabrics, and Quince is one of those brands that delivers such high quality at an amazing price point. This is 100% Mongolian cashmere. It is so cozy and soft. I know it will last me, and it will also keep me super warm, and it's $150, which usually this would be well over $200 for a cashmere sweater. I have on their stretch crepe trousers, which are really nice, comfy basics. I love this chocolate brown color. I'm 5'7", and this is the trouser length on me. Also have on these Quince mules, which are designer inspired, and just one of those easy throw on comfy like flats that you can throw on with like any look, especially for work. I feel like these would be perfect. But I'm loving these like chocolate brown tones. I would totally do like a full monochromatic brown look if I was like going out today. I love the sweater. It's also really cute paired with a skirt. I got it in another color, so I'm going to show you that next. Here's that same cardigan in the cream. I'm obsessed with the structure and just the shape that this cardigan gives. It is so gorgeous and so soft. I paired it with their washable silk maxi skirt. It does come more of like ankle length on me, so I would say if you're like shorter than 5'7", it would be more of a maxi length, but I just paired it with some boots to cover up my ankles, and I would say that I probably would pair this skirt with something longer just so that it would cover up in the back. But it is such a gorgeous classic skirt. It feels so nice because it is real silk and it comes in so many colors. Okay, I just tried on the denim, and if you're gonna get anything from Quince, please let it be these jeans. They are $50, you guys. I have been looking for this type of denim everywhere, and I actually just splurged and got a pair for over $200 because I literally could not find this like expensive looking wash with the wide leg and the fit and everything that I wanted. It's literally at Quince for $50. I'm so excited, and I actually like these better because they're so much more stretchy and comfy. Like I could literally wear these all day and they'd be so comfortable. That's what the fit looks like, really nice and straight, wide leg. I love it with this cardigan too. I'm so obsessed. And the color of the denim, it's such a good wash. Oh, it looks so good. So yeah, if we're gonna get anything, let it be these. I got a size 27 and I'm usually a US 6 if that helps. Here's the jeans with some like heels on. I feel like you can kind of see the shape of the jeans a little bit better with heels. But yeah, they are so good. Quince also has free shipping on every single order, and they also have an amazing return policy, so you can return up to 365 days, which is amazing. So I will link all of my favorite Quince pieces down below in the description box for you guys to shop now. And thanks again to them for sponsoring this portion of today's video. This little candle, I'm not even kidding you guys, it literally fills my entire house. It smells so good. It's by the brand called Sniff. I'm gonna link this down below. It actually, there's like a set you can get with their apple pie. This is called actually half-baked apple cider smash, and then they have another one that's called like pumpkin smash. They're both so good. I only really burn candles this time of year because they're so cozy, but definitely my recommendation. Also, I just got in the most gorgeous homeware pieces from a brand called Marigold Market. They're based out of Chicago, and they have the most stunning store ever, by the way. And she reached out and gifted me a few pieces, including this beautiful pedestal bowl. I'm about to like display some fruit in it, which I think would be so gorgeous. I also love these kind of pairs as well. So do my kids. Adorable. I wanted to show you the other things that I got from Marigold Market because they have so many marble, stoneware, earthy pieces. Look how stunning this book holder is. It is so gorgeous. I can display my Quran on here. I'm thinking about putting it in my living room, maybe in my bookshelves. So pretty. And then this is a stunning marble bowl, which is so beautiful. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this yet. Maybe in my kitchen. And then they threw in this little like tablet holder. It's either for your tablet or for your phone, but you can just like place it there. It spins around while you're in the kitchen cooking, looking at a recipe on your tablet or your phone. You can just like set it there, or you can like set it on your desk. I just think that is so aesthetic and so adorable. Can't wait to style these around my home, and I will go ahead and link her shop below. Okay, I have been meaning to make pumpkin bread for the past several days. Got all my ingredients, and I'm so excited to make this. It's gonna be so perfect for the season. I'm gonna take it with me to my mother-in-law's house tonight. So let's just go ahead and whip up a cozy, comforting pumpkin bread with chocolate chips. You have to have the chocolate chips. I'm so excited. Okay, I am about to go get the kids from school. Oh, that actually balanced. Okay, but I thought I would chat with you guys a little bit before I leave. It's so funny because today is the day that everyone found out that Mamdani won the mayor in New York City. One being the mayor. How do you say that? He won the race. Anyways, we have a Muslim mayor in the US. I am so excited for New York. I'm not even a New Yorker, but that's my mayor, okay? I'm so excited. I have literally that song stuck in my head. The name is Mamdani. Like in my head. I'm just so excited. It's just so amazing to have a Muslim leader in power in the US because we have that representation, especially after like all the Islamophobia over the past however many years since 9/11. It's just amazing to have somebody to represent us and just be for the people. So anyways, I'm so excited for New York. I wanted to just do a little update on just like me and just me as like a founder, because you guys know that I kind of transitioned. Obviously I still do content creation for myself and I want to keep that up, but I've kind of transitioned into being more of like the founder of Ella, and I've been pouring all of my heart and soul into that brand. So just wanted to do a little update as to where we are right now, mainly because Ella is about to turn 1 year on November 15th, which is literally next week. I'm so proud of the growth and just everything I've been able to accomplish this past year. So yeah, we are coming up on our 1 year mark, and in this past year, first of all, before I launched Ella, you guys know, knew nothing about starting a business, launching my own brand. I've been on the content creation side for 10 years, but it's a completely different world. So in this past year, we've launched 5 collections. We have gone from shipping everything at my house to finding a fulfillment center who is amazing. We love to work with them. Found a customer service team that's amazing. We went to Turkey to find more manufacturers. We're in the works of like sampling with them right now, which is amazing. Securing more partners in Turkey because I would love for my clothes to be made there one day, or even just like some of them. Honestly, they do occasion wear really well there. I hired a designer, you guys. I went from designing everything myself, which you guys won't even really get to see the effects of the designer until probably the summertime, because you have to work so far in advance. Literally like all of this winter collection that's coming out was done by me, and then the Ramadan collection mainly done by me. So then yeah, hopefully we'll be working on all of the spring summer stuff together and just making like the best of the best pieces for you guys with the best fabrics. I'm also about to hire a content assistant because you know that I have been just slacking in the content department this past year because I have been so busy behind the scenes with Ella stuff. So I've got her to help me like keep me on track with all of my Ella content and even some on like my personal brand side as well. Big things are coming, you guys. We've got the next collection coming. We've got the pop-up shop coming, and I'm just so proud and just so excited for like where Ella takes us. This brand is for you. Like honestly, everything I do is for you guys. That's why my whole mission statement and my whole branding is for every chapter of your story. It's for your story. These pieces are for you. So I just really hope that I can deliver like the best of the best pieces for your special moments. I gotta go pick up my kids, but thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video, inshallah. Bye.